Hello, and welcome to the training on the Electronic Library of Minnesota and online databases. In this segment, we will be exploring the search functions and features of Gale and EBSCO. We will start by exploring the search functions and features of Gale through the online database, the Expanded Academic ASAP. In this video, you will learn how to use the subject index, create an effective advanced search, and refine your results in the Expanded Academic ASAP. This database is multidisciplinary and contains both scholarly and popular articles. So first, we are going to conduct a basic search. There are a number of different ways that you can search for information using the Expanded Academic ASAP. You can search for information by using the basic search. You can search by using the subject guide search. You can search by using the publication search. You can also search by using the advanced search and then term clusters. So we are going to start by doing a basic search, and then we will do a subject guide search. So we are going to conduct a basic search. So to do that, we're going to go to the basic search box right here, and we will enter in our subject or key concept that we want to search. So for this search, we are going to search global warming. So once we have that typed in, then we will hit enter. And then that'll bring us our results. So this is a basic search using a keyword, which will result in a very broad list of results. As you can see from this search, that we have over 20,000 different articles, journals, magazines, and more. So one of the things that you can do to get a more narrower list is to conduct a subject guide search. So now we will do a subject guide search. A basic keyword search on a broad topic like global warming will yield thousands of results. To conduct a more relevant and specific search for global warming as a subject, the subject index is an important search feature that you can use. In the Expanded Academic ASAP, the subject guide search allows you to search the subject index. Many databases will refer to it just as the subject. Let's try using the subject guide search for this topic. So to conduct our subject guide search, we can go to this button right here and select the subject guide search, which will then bring us to this page in which you can type in our topic into the search box. So again, we're going to search global warming, and we will hit enter, which will then bring us to this page of subject terms. As you can see on this page, it has a variety of different subject terms related to global warming. So in this case, we are interested in just focusing on global warming, so we can click on this subdivision right here, which will then show us the different subcategories within global warming. So for our search, we are interested in the environmental aspects related to global warming. So we're going to select that, which will then take us to our results. So as you can see here in our results, that it has a much narrower results than compared to our first results that we got using the basic search. We still have quite a few results, but there are things that we can do to further narrow our results. So there are a number of ways that you can further narrow the results. One of the ways that you can limit the search is by clicking on the full text. This will then narrow the results down to those results that include a full text. Another way that you can further narrow your results is by searching within the results. So let's say that you are interested in searching for topics that relate to the sea level rise. You can click that and enter that, and that will then again further narrow it down. So we have, from when we started at the basic search, we had over 20,000 results. Now, by using the different features to search within the subject and then to further narrow it down, we have a much smaller result. We have about 47 journal articles. We have 72 or so magazine articles. And now, once we have a much smaller result, what we can do is we can select what type of content we want to look at. So let's say we are interested in looking at magazine articles. We can select that, and then that'll take us to the magazine results. And then once you've done that, what you can do is then go ahead and select an article. So let's say we find an article that we are interested in. So let's say we are interested in this article on, well, the Antarctica melts into the sea. Once you select that, then that'll bring us up to the actual article, and then you can read it. One of the nice features about Gale is that on the right side you will see it provides you with a variety of different tools that you can use. One of my favorite tools as a student is the citation tool. This will allow you to then cite the content, the article that you are reading. Another nice tool is the ability to email the article to yourself. So you can enter in the email and then it'll send you the document. You can also include the citations, or you can do it as a PDF. So that is another really nice tool. You can also download the article. You can print the article. Another option is that you can, as you read, you can highlight the content and add notes. You can also save it. You can download an MP3. If you see over here, this feature right here, this allows you to listen to the article. Another option is that you can share it. So let's say you're working with a group of people and you have found an article that you would like to share with them. By clicking on that, you can share the article. Another option is that you can translate the article. So you can translate it into Spanish or another language. So those are some of the different things that you can do once you have found your article. In our next section, we will look at the advanced search. So now we will conduct an advanced search. So to do that, we will go to the advanced search icon and click on that, which will then bring us to the advanced search page. So on the advanced search page, what we will now do is we will type in here our subject, which is global warming. And so then we will want to switch this over to subject, since that is our subject. And then what we can do next is we can enter in this next box the sea level rising. As that is our keywords, we will then switch this over from basic search to keyword. And then one of the nice features of the advanced search is that over here where it says search for is that you can switch this and to an or a not. So if we are wanting to further limit our results, we can switch this to not. So let's say we were not interested in global warming and sea level rise related to California. So in this box, we can then type in California and then search. So here are our results. So like our previous searches, this search provides us with a much more manageable list of results that you can look through. And one of the things that you can then further narrow your results again is by clicking on the full text. So we have just completed an advanced search.